Alright guys, we're here with the Emaxx. We got body off, stock electronics. I don't know how this is gonna go. I seen them put it in a Revo, but not an Emaxx. Let's see if it works. Alright, here I get my 2.5 mm hex wrench. Take off the cover. Just like that. Get your little screw out. Pop the cover off. Take off both your old motors. Okay, we got one motor off. Screw fell down in there. I'm gonna get that. Okay, that's one motor. Well, my truck's different because it has different screws. Get your 2 mm. Take off this one. Okay, I got the second motor off. All my screws. You take off the ESC. Get your 2 mm here. Take off the 2 screws on the left and right side of it. Got it loose. Got that crap. And I just need to do the ESC wire to the radio. I'm just gonna get my electric screwdriver here for this. Take a while without it. Got my lid off. Don't lose your gasket in here. Gotta pop the second off. There we go. Got your servo wires. Unclip it. There's a clip on the other side of the transmission. I'm just gonna unclip you here. There's a clip right here that it was in. That little sucker right there. You take it out. You pop the servo wire out. Pull it through your little flat spot. There. Out with the old, in with the new. I'm not going to use any of the pinions because they're different sizes. I'm just going to bring it back in here. Back on your stand. There. Perfect. Now we're going to take our motor and we're going to put it in there. I like it with the that's a pretty thick shaft there. I like with the wire sticking up. Looks cleaner. I'm going to put the motor in the center, not the lower, so I can put a bigger battery here, and so it has more center of balance. Alright, we're going to get the screws out of the package, wherever it went. Where'd it go? You guys see it? Oh, there it is. Actually, I gotta mount the mounting plate on it first. On the motor. Or, no, yeah, the ESC. There. One more screw left in your little bag of crap. Come on. Plastic, way too difficult. There we go. Which one's screw into here? Just trying to find which screw, if I can use a set of the old screws. So I don't think it supplies any. Yeah, looks like I'm going to use the 2 mm ones. They're better, thicker screw. Those other silver ones. Alright. get in here for a second. Hopefully I don't have to mod anything. This would really suck if I do. I don't want to cut down my tranny like the other people do. There, I got one screw started. Get the other one in. It's fitting up nicely, actually. Gotta get that stupid screw in there. Come on. There. Just gonna grab a pinion here, I think, for more torque. I'm gonna put in the smaller one, the 17 tooth. I don't know. I think I'm just, yeah. No, I'll put it in the big one. Never thought of that before, because I thought it only came with the 21 tooth. So, yeah, it's a 21 right here. Now I know where it says it. It says it right there. I don't think I have it on, but it's 2, 1 right across. Let's just get the set screw out. I think it's a 2mm set screw. Oh, there's already one in it. That's cool. Comes with an extra. Okay, let's see if it's 2.5 or 2. That's a 2.5 set screw. Or, no, 2. There we go. Just slide that sucker on there, right there. Yep. There we go. So far, it's been an easy so far it's been an easy install. There we go. My brother's gonna come ranting in my room in a second. He's watching a shark movie. A dog almost died. That's good. I like dogs. Get your mesh good here. That's a little too tight. Shh. He's kinda ranting out there. Shark just got blown the fuck up. Pardon my French. There we go. Tighten that up. It might seem to you guys that it was a little bit too tight, but the motor's really coggy right now. It hasn't been broken in yet. I don't really know if brushless needs to be broken in, but it's really coggy. Okay, let's grab the ESC and put it on the back plate. So you got your ESC here, your 4 little holes. Back plate. Grab one of your short little screws that came in the package. There we go, come on. Oh man, I hate short screws. Come on. Come on. Just 1 second. Screws being difficult. Come on. Okay, now this is a difficult part. Screw won't go into the back plate. Okay, I think I got it started. Oh, thank God. Finally. I don't even think they're threaded on the back. No, they're not. How rude. You have to make your own threads. No, it ain't threaded. If you look in that hole, they're not even threaded. Or they just forgot a step on mine. There. Thank God for electric screwdrivers. There we go. Second one in. Still no threads. That's piss off. You're whining yourself. Here's a little electric screwdriver whining. I get that freaking little tiny screw in there. That's why it wasn't starting. There are no threads. That's a little disappointing for Hobbywing. It is a cheap ESC. Castle Creations is the same price just for the ESC. And it's not at all close to being waterproof. It says this thing's splash proof. There we go. There I got the 4 screws in. And you got the 2 things here. See how it fits up? Looks like it fits good right there. How's that look? There you got your 2 screws that are supplied. No. These 2 screws that are supplied, they're shorter than the stock ones come out your brushed ESC. Just grab your 2mm hex wrench, drive them into your chassis. These screws haven't been used, these screw holes haven't been used before, so they're a little bit tight. Let's see if I can use this bad boy. There we go, got that one in, started. Sorry for blocking your view here. It's a tough one, it's on the other side. Okay, come on. Can't wait to get this thing going. Alright. There. I got the ESC fully installed. I don't think this side's tight enough. There. That's better. There. I think I might braid the wire. So, how do you do this shit? If I'm braiding, my girlfriend's here, so there. Look, I got a little braid going on there. There we go, past that, goes through the center. These are off to the side, that one goes through that center, and that one goes there. There we got a little braid going on there. Nice one. Yellow to yellow. Make sure you plug them all the way, and all the way. They're 4mm bullet connectors if I'm not mistaken. And orange to orange. There. Nice setup. Nice thick. This is like more than 12 gauge. It's probably 10 gauge wire. Better than the Traxxas wire. Nice Deans connected. And then I'm putting in 2 3S LiPo batteries. It can handle 22 volts. 6S. Putting in 2 of these. I ran these in my Slash. Kind of beaten up a little bit, but they're good. One thing that I can't do is the battery straps do not actually fit these, which kind of sucks. Yeah, don't even fit in. Wait, maybe I got the wrong side. Still, oh, maybe it might. Yeah, actually, it kind of rough. Yeah, don't really fit, but as you see, it's kind of arched. I'll probably make some custom ones, or get on the mill, or sand that down. There, got that all tight, and all you got left to do is program the ASC. I don't think I'm going to do that on camera. I'll make even know if it needs programming or not. Then we gotta pop on your cover. There we go. Just there we go. Get you in your 2.5mm hex. Just ram that bad boy back in there. Come on. Ah, these little screws giving me trouble today. I'm excited. Before, this thing was pretty pitiful. The motors were gone. And yeah, batteries were not good enough. Here, I got it braided, got it in there. Wait for the batteries to charge and we'll go out. Alright guys, see you out there.